No, no, no. Nicholas, don't drag him backwards.
Come on, do wheelbarrow. Okay. Wheelbarrow, guys.
At least you put his hands up.
Okay, lift Nicholas up. Get up, Nathan. Lift Nicholas up. Do wheelbarrow with Nicholas.
Stand up.
Stand up, Nathan. You gotta get up, Nathan. Stop watching TV. And then they give up.
Daddy, I'm just going to wheelbarrow to you, Mommy.
No, that's me, Mommy.
Mommy.